By like 200 pixels to the
Looks good, to be honest. I kind of like it.
Today もすごい天気がいいです。
by like 200 pixels to the middle of the screen, and people freak out about it. So you can actually talk to these developers and observe the cycle of like how they get made and how these apps get updated.
Jumping single door, beige and yellow. There's a bit of shine to it. Ooh.
So it doesn't feel comfortable?
So stiff.
Kind of looks good, to be honest.
What time is it? They have a like silver chain version. I think I'm getting better at this. Pink.
Mm. 先日ブリュッセルに行ってベルギーワッフルを買ってきたので冷凍してあったのでそれを解凍してオーブンに入れました。
For large parts of the day.
Nice.
It's too good. It's been in the freezer for 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah, maybe a month.
A month. Waffles and things we bought in Brussels.
In Bulgaria, we call them gufreta.
This waffle looking thing. Then we also have this.
Very soft. And the filling is a bit yogurty.
I was gonna say it's coconutty.
Yeah, I don't like this.
I think it's good. I like it.
Biscuits. egg is open.
いただきます。
On to other careers. As of the Shoten guide, there are several possible outlets, revitalizing the area guide into a more compact area, but it can be tricky due to rights.
Should we rate them real fast? Thick caramel on the side and something.
Yeah, I like Mary the most. Wait, I ordered it.
I actually differ on this.
Okay.
I would put yuzu second and marzipan third. Isn't it down there?
This is the magic soap.
Yes. As usual, I guess. Do a video of what people earn in Cambridge, UK. I think this will get views. Obviously, we need.
Into my colleagues, though.
Oh yeah, obviously we need to get out of our comfort zone, but I think it's gonna be fine. Obviously we need to start with ourselves, and then we're gonna ask, like, we need what, 10 more people? So you're giving yourself the smaller steak. You're gonna give me the bigger one.
It's so nice. See the stars already.
How close or how far it is, and how big or small you are. You know, obviously you lack anything to compare it to. So it's almost as if you're getting lost into it. It's calming, but also it's a bit scary.